Technology is changing fast, and today we are looking at another tool that can help us to achieve what we want to achieve in cybersecurity within a very short time. Welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. Today we are looking at Hack the Box.
Okay, so this is Hack the Box. So Hack the Box too is it has some similarity with Tryhackme in the sense that you can now practice scenarios, but Hack the Box a bit more a little bit more technical. The platform is a bit more technical. So but just like Tryhackme, they give you problem to solve. So if you log in now, I have an account. Of course, you have to click get started and create an account. But if you log in, try to log in to ask you for your account. Let me just log in now. So both of them are very good tools for because like practice is the real thing. Although Hack the Box too is a bit more tilted toward penetration testing, but they do some vulnerabilities that will give you a good background in other aspect too. But let's just see what it looks like. So once you log in, see it has like two sections from here. As a beginner, you learn and get certified, practice with hands-on lab. So just like Tryhackme, it has its own what do you call it, free. You can come in, you can use it for free, and also you can also use it for, you can pay to use it. So payment enables you to make use of some of the labs and some of the tools that they provided. You can also use it to train people too. So let's look at learn and get certified, because as a starter, that would make sense to start from learning. Okay, you can see the dashboard now. You see offensive, defensive, general. So those are the categories. I've not done anything here.
Okay.
There's a module, there's an academic module. Your cybersecurity journey starts here. So it has an intro to the academy to which you can take part of it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the academy. In the academy, you can learn, take time to learn, because it will take time to explain things to you. Let's see the modules. Let me invite you, since you're not. I think tryhackme.com is more beginner friendly, in my own opinion. So let's see. Let's look at Hack the Box here, the academy. Okay, so intro to the academy. Let's look for other modules that we can do. Okay, so let me see. I can choose a part to follow. I said if the Hack the Box is their strength started with penetration testing, but now they have other aspects. You can see SOC analyst here. So if you want to enroll, so some of these ones are not free. Let me check. See the keeps. You will spend those keeps gradually by unlocking each module. So let's see if you enroll now. Let's go to SOC analyst. You can see here now, because we are on the free one, it's asking you to unlock. So I think when you register, you give you some free keys to unlock. So if I unlock incident this now, I'll see the stuff, see the progress. See the topics here: incident handling, security monitoring, fundamentals. So you can learn all the modules on SOC analyst. So you can try it, open it up, the time, look through it, see, check the academy, check and see, and compare it with Tryhackme. I would just advise is, just compare it and see the one that you are very comfortable with, the one that appeals to you more. But both of them are very good learning resources. I think on Tryhackme, both of them have free and paid. Like I said, there are things you can do when you are free. There are things it will ask you to pay. And then in Hack the Box, you can hand cubes. For example, now, like I sent you that link. If you register through that link, they may give me some free cubes for for people registering to me. So those cubes I can use to unlock some of their courses and and take them. Yeah, so this is Hack the Box. Please go through it.